Hey guys, today I'm going to be creating this Pinterest loading screen. Let's get right into it. Let's open a new design file. I'm going to change my background to be a little bit lighter. I'm going to add a frame, F on your keyboard. Let's do an iPhone 14 Pro. Let's change our fill to black. And then let's find our Pinterest logo, go to Plugins, Icon Duck, Pinterest. Let's grab this one. Move the vector into your frame. Change the logo to red. By pressing Shift and Option, scale it up, and then center it in your frame. I'm going to lock this and turn off the visibility for now. And let's make our tiles. R on your keyboard for rectangle. I'm going to make a variation of boxes to represent the tiles. Round the corners to 10. Option drag to duplicate. You can make these however long or short you want. I'm going to make the right side. Making changes as I go along. If any of your boxes come out of your frame, put them back in. Then we're going to shift click on our boxes on the right side, put them into an auto layout, Shift A. Do the same thing with the left side. Shift click, Shift A. Now we have our tiles. Grab both sides, frame 1 and frame 2. Where it says mixed right here, let's put in 40 so we have an even gap. Grab frame 1 and frame 2, put them into a group, Command G. Now let's add our photos into our tiles. Command click, go to Plugins. Unsplash is what I use to grab free photos. Interior. And then pick any photos you would like to use. Alright, once our photos are on there, we're going to command click on our tile. We're going to bring the gray layer on top. You're going to do this with all of your tiles. Once you've done that, grab your whole group. We can close it. Change the layer opacity to 50, and then bring it behind our logo. We're going to unlock and show the logo. Grab the group, and while using the Y value, push it all the way down till you can't see it in your frame anymore. Alright, once we're left with the frame with just our logo, let's duplicate this. Grab your frame, Command D to duplicate. Shift and Option to scale proportionately down. Duplicate again, Command D. Pull it up. Duplicate again. Scale down a little bit and then push it down. Grab your group. Use the Y value. I want the logo to overlap the tiles. Command D again. Grab your logo and your tiles, push them up. Move your logo outside of your frame with the Y value. Then move your tiles up to the top. We're going to adjust the auto layout within the tiles. Grab both frame 1 and frame 2. Let's change them to 12. Actually, let's do 20. I'm going to take my whole group here and change the opacity to 100. And then I'm going to drop the opacity of the layer on top to 0. Do this for all of your tiles. Alright, once that's finished, zoom out, look at all your frames. Let's add our prototyping. Go to the prototype panel, grab on frame 1, drag your anchor point to frame 2. Set it to after delay, 50 milliseconds. Ease out of Smart Animate, ease out at 200. Grab frame number 2, drag over. After delay, 1 millisecond. Smart Animate, bouncy, 1000 milliseconds. Frame number 3. After delay of 1. Ease out, 400. Last one. After delay, 1. Smart Animate, gentle, at 2000. Alright, let's play our animation. If you guys like this tutorial, please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any more ideas, leave me a comment and I'll look into it. Thanks so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.